Welcome, and to my channel. And just a little intro. This channel primarily right now is working with the game engine called Unity 3D. Now, it's a game engine that specifically uses a C Sharp library called MonoDevelop. And you're probably thinking, what's all this crazy nonsense that I've ever heard? Don't worry if you don't know what it means, because I will be giving you basically a rundown on how to use the engine and how we can use it to make a variety of different things. Now, right now, it's a first person shooter. Next might be a tower defense like game, or possibly even a third person shooter. Now, right now, as you're looking, you're probably like, this is a first person shooter and things. Yes, it's our prototype of a FPS kit that is currently, right now, not an online multiplayer game. But Unity is actually using a new Unet service, well, their service, but it will actually make it a lot easier to use their multiplayer than it was previously in the Photon library system for multiplayer games. In other words, the AKA PUN, which is the Photon Network solution, made for Unity 3D and a few other things. I think it works in Unreal, but I'm not exactly too sure about that. There is nothing wrong with Pun, Photon, okay, but they will not synchronize lists and other type of collections. They only accept certain things like strings, floats, vector threes. Now, this might change in the future after this video, but I do believe that we will be using this kit for our community because of one specific reason. The build system for a player can actually be shared because it's a serialized file. It's a binary file. So I can actually let community, other players, or anyone in the channel share their file of their level that they designed so that they can go, hey, guess what, buddy? Check out this level I made. And they can pop in here and go, start their game and go, BAM! And be like, oh yeah, great. Now, right now, we do not have AI in the system, but the way the kit will be designed, we can use anything from the old, how you want to say, what was that AI kit called? I can't remember. An A-star algorithm. We could use anything from A-star, anything from Unity's navigation system for their AI, pathfinding, and a lot of other things. We can use it, but there is their own issues with each system. A-star and some algorithms that it uses are a little heavy, and some are not. The only benefit to A-star is you do not have to bake the navigational system in when you make the level in the editor. You can have it runtime, which is really great for 2D games and 3D games alike, but specifically for 2D. Unity right now in their navigational system doesn't really do too much for 2D, which is unfortunate because I actually like their system. Now, they are looking into changing it, and please, I hope they do. But in the meantime, we will have to work around it. And two, with Unity's networking solution that they have right now, we can actually make AI bots that synchronize across the network even easier than before. We just have to spawn them on the server, and the server will take care of all the rest. Unlike clients. Clients, they can spawn themselves, no big deal. Because even if they spawn more than one of them, they're still going to have issues because their cameras are going to be messed up, their weaponry is going to be messed up, they're going to go over their capacity and transmit too much data and be kicked off anyway, possibly, if we integrate some type of system like that. The server, Unity's newer system, Unet, is more based on authentication. So it's a lot harder than it was in Pun and some of the other solutions. There are ways, don't get me wrong, but Unity has made our life a whole lot easier because we can actually make the server do all the damage stuff. And all the clients will do is tell, hey server, raycast in this vector space right now. And that's it. And the server will do everything else. So, yes, if this interests you, I would stick around and like, hit, subscribe, do the YouTube thing. If it doesn't, then I'm sorry. It doesn't. But you still could learn something from this channel. So please, I beg you, don't say I can't learn anything. And if you do not like learning, this channel is not for you. Learning is king. That's my phrase anyway. But what could go wrong? Find some bugs, work out some scripts. Hey, sounds like fun to me. And I've got 6 months, year, or whatever. So, yes. If learning's for you, then this channel is perfect for you. If you like people that just give stuff away, or do you want me to write a script for you? I'm sorry, but I want you to learn it. So, because the specific reason of this channel is for people to learn to do stuff themselves. Because this script might not work for the other game that you want because it uses a certain function that just breaks your other game. So please try to learn what I teach you, and you will go pretty far with it. So thank you for your time, and here's my channel. And if you decide that some of this is relevant to you and you want to see some of the projects that I've already done, possibly, you can go to centraldeal.weebly.com/fps, that middle dash thing, wardon.ph, that HTTPL thing. You probably don't even need it. I've got a few videos and a few descriptions on things, and I've put projects on the page so you can download it if you like. So we'll see how this goes, and take care, guys, and hope you guys learned something cool. And good night, good day, good morning, wherever you are. Bye bye, guys. See you in the next few videos.